Alright guys, so this is a full house pet treatment. So the Green Rhino cocktail, every square inch. Okay, when I came here, I mean yellow stains everywhere, and as soon as I walked in, it smelled like urine. So new owners just bought the house, and their daughter had said, hey, you know, it really smells, and there's yellow stains everywhere. So pet problem, definitely, right? The owners didn't even really smell it. I think they got, I don't know, that was issues with smelling or something, but kid definitely smelled it. I did. So I did a full pet treatment. Now, as I'm going, this is the last room actually that I'm doing. As I'm going, I'm noticing some of these yellow stains did not disappear. So I did my pre-spray. I just take, by the time I get to extraction, the ones that are gonna go are gonna go. So this video's main point is you are not gonna be able to get rid of every stain. Now, if you go through and you're doing a pet treatment, you notice some of these yellow stains are not disappearing. They kind of look orangish a lot of times, or like a synthetic type of yellow. Those are probably not going anywhere, guys, because customer probably used a all-purpose cleaner from underneath the sink, just to spot stuff, and it just discolors the carpet, right? Bleaches it out. A lot of these pet stain removers out there, like Folex and stuff like that, will set stains, believe it or not. Stains that's been there for a really long time may not come out either. So anyway, so what I'm doing here is I did whatever I can do for this place, and as I'm going ahead and treat it with some organic spotter, peroxide, peroxide based spotters, about 6%. And I'm spraying it on there. I'm going to walk away. Actually, this one's about 3%. So 6% are right for a spray and walk away. And if it is going to go, it's going to go at over time. Like by tomorrow, it may disappear. But I always let the customer know, don't cross your fingers. You know, this is probably not going to go anywhere, but this is all you can do. All right, I'm going to go ahead and rinse the rest of this room out. These are dry passes, guys. I had a commenter one time say, you're cleaning way too fast. And I'm like, wow, this guy must be new, doesn't know what a dry pass is. He told me to take Courtney's courses. Don't get me wrong, I like Courtney, man, but he's doing his own thing. The hardwood floor guy. I'm the new go to carpet cleaning. Well, can't say that. Sager, man, he's a goat. If you notice some areas I'm going a little faster with my rinses, it's because these areas didn't get hit with the pet problems because there's furniture and stuff down. Stuff that I'm going really slow and trying to get a really good rinse. Overlapping it halfway, that way I get 2 rinses, right? I don't know if you knew that. One-handed, it's hard. It's hard. It's hard out here for a carpet cleaner. finish this up. All right, all finished up. So you can see a little bit of yellows here and there. I should have took some befores, but let's see, turn off these lights. So yeah, it looks way better than it did. And smells better because it smelled like urine. Big time. Also, along with the pet treatment that I do, the pre-spray itself helps for odor removal and even stain removal of organic, like pet stains. So when the customer vacuums, so what it does, it encapsulates this, the whatever you call it, that is odor. You know, next time they vacuum, it helps with the odor problem. Okay, so if the customer were to actually call me back and say, "Oh, it still smells like urine," I would just come back here with just my pre-spray and do a light pre-spray over it, rake it in, and tell them to let it dry in the vacuum. And that would definitely take care of it, but I've never had to do that. The only time I've ever did that was just at post-spray before I left. I don't think this needs it. So yeah, I broke my power slide out because I knew I was doing a full pet treatment. I got that little 10-inch shark, and after breaking the power slide out and being able to use that shark for a while, guys, I prefer the power slide when it comes to pre-scrubbing. It's you know, it's bigger than 10 inches, right? It's 14 inches, so you cover more square footage. It just seems like you blast through it a lot better. It feels even smoother to me. The guy was working for me said he liked the 10-inch, but I like this. All right, so I'm gonna keep the power fly on for me because it's just heavier, and when I have help, they don't like loading this heavy thing up and down. I get it, so that's why I'll have that shark. But as far as pre-scrubbing, I definitely prefer the multi-wash. See, I wouldn't tell you that, guys, when I first bought that shark, because I had to have my experience. Okay, I wasn't recommending that shark to anybody. I was just telling you, I got the shark because it was heavy for my helpers. Brenda, you know, bringing her up and downstairs and in and out of the truck. So yeah, that's my conclusion. I figured out what the problem was with my multi-washes. The cord end, I gotta replace that. That got pulled off. The brand new one got pulled off. I put that on it. It's shortened out. I just found that out in this job because more than halfway through the job, it stopped again and it started shortening right there. So anyway, I just replaced that. My power flight's back in action. All right, guys. Yeah, that's it for this one. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, subscribe. Comment down below if you got any questions. Ask. And all the information is always below all my videos. If you hit the drop down below the videos in the description, YouTube makes it hard to find nowadays. You know, they should make it more obvious. Then you're gonna see a bunch of links and stuff, like to my course and a lot of other stuff that you might be interested in. All right, guys that are already in the business and having trouble answering calls, missing them all the time, I got something for you there too. All right, see you in the next one.